My name is Rianto, English Department 2022. So, in this video, I will present a review article from Maria Andrea Cruz, Nayeli Gonzalez Gomez, Marvin Levinchin, and Oko Rasanen. So, the title is the Simulating Prenatal Language Exposure in Computational Models. It is an exploration of study on how prenatal language exposure affect early language acquisitions model. And so the study purposes is to investigate or want to find out if the teaching computers to learn language like a babies help them pick up language more naturally. In other words, can computer programs like a real infant in the womb learn language better if they hear sounds like baby does in the womb? Can computer learn language better if they hear sounds like a baby does in the womb? And the research design is qualitative qualitative computational modeling and statistical evaluations with the instrument of two supervised neural network models, APC and CPC. And the data collections, and there are two. It is speech input. It is exposure using pre-recorded speech from the LibreFor corpus with realistic modeling of prenatal conditions. It is include like low pass low pass filtering to simulate the womb hearing and estimate daily speech input durations. And the data analysis, there were four psycholinguistically inspired. The first one is tone discriminations, phonetics preference, vowel discriminations, and infant directed speech preference. And the key findings in here, there are four. The first one is the in simulations change learning outcomes compared to baseline models without plea, and the durations is matter. So the duration of plea, like full term and preterm exposure, influence early model behavior. And the qualitative differences, there is no clear quantitative advantages, but the qualitative effect exists. And the CPC models generally align better with infant behavior than APC. So, in other words, in conclusion, uh, the study shows that while not always improving the quantitative match with infant data, modeling prenatal language, the computer exposure can have prenatal language exposure can have a significant impact on the learning behavior of the computer that act like a real infant. And it it follows with the use of plea as a crucial component for the modeling, especially when imitating the developmental differences between infant born full term and those born preterm. So I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.